Or you are trying to terminate me, you are trying to deal with me, that doesn't change the status quo. It still stands. Whether you threaten me or what, unfortunately, I won't withdraw. You tried to bribe me with 7 trucks. I refused. You tried to, when you summon numbers, to 15 trucks. I refused. I refused. And I still refuse. Company, I still refuse because I stand for what's right. I stand for justice. I'm coming there. And but under house arrest. Under house arrest, they were not planning to arrest him, but now that they are going to arrest me, he's heading for court so that ezotola order elizobelishutha in contempt of court ngidelela inkantolo as a result fanele ngiboshwe ngesikhathi sendi warrant of arrest angayihluphi. I'll come on my own, ngizoyizela ngolesibili nje ngizobe ngilapho on the 29th. I'll hand myself over. You don't have to look for me. Angihluphi ke nje, I'm not troublesome at all. Ngiyayiyela mina amaphoyisa lithi ngingacabanga nokungibopha ngilitshela ukuthi hayi ngibopheke because awukwazi ukungintimidate, awukwazi ukungithreatenisha. So you just have to do what you've got to do. If you know warrant of arrest akuhluphi, okwakho nje is to read me my rights. Mawuqeda ukungifundela ama rights wami wenze lokho okufanele ukwenzile and follow the processes and the procedure. I don't even fight when you do that. Unfortunately, if you don't do that, ngeke ngihlalele phansi ngenzela ukuthi ungiqukule bese wenze ukwenza ukwenza ngokuthanda kwakho. Mr. Kruger as ngibhizi ungisendela ama message. I'm not sure ukuthi uthini, but he wants to play something on record. I don't know what. As I'm busy since I pop up ngibhizi like right now. So ngithi ke I'm ready for bona. And funny enough, ngesikhathi sikhuluma Mr. Foshe, I don't know if he did it on purpose ngobe funa ukungithreatenisha what he did. While we were still sikhuluma sichatha via WhatsApp, he sent me a message, a conversation yakhe noTebogo, umseve ngoTebogo Spa. Uthi don't abuse the guy at my premises, lock him up. People in jail can deal with him. And laphaya umeqhubeka noTebogo wakhe ubhala ukuthi MK Group Legend Drivers, ubhala ukuthi MK Group WhatsApp and Facebook group admins. Aqhubeke ke ukuthi kuphendule lo Tebogo wabala amagama ngazi kunomkhwanazi phezulu nobani uyawabala maningi. Ngiyakhumbula ukuthi bayathindwa bayafaka Mr. Chair lapho, bayafaka ofundi bayafaka the professionals, MK professionals, bayafaka odriver base legend ovuyo omsweli bonke labo ke bakhona kule list, but inqamliwe ngoba ilandwa somewhere else le yabo lokho ukuthi message mawufuna ukuphendula yona refer to yona bese ibuyela ngezansi iveze lokho ekuveza ukuthi le message ubuyiphendula refer to which message. Iqedeke ithi ngezansi ikhuluma yena Mr. Foshe, Tebogo, you need to deal with this. Myself and my company now been exposed by this nonsense. All these people under the impression to such behavior. You need to solve this urgently and clear my name and my company name, please. And I aqhubeka my conversation and I asked him, Guti, so you also have manhandlers even ngaphakathi ejele. So you are doing it on purpose, just like you did it to abantu laba bawu5 wababopha basejele lase Emelo elingathethwa icala laba bangaveli for the past 2 years njoba kukhona ngisho pension akhona. Avela angihleka send the funny faces. So Mr. Foshe, it's not like uphethe inkantolo kuphela, uphethe namaphoyisa, uphethe namajele. So now laba bantu who are on the ground here outside amajele kushuthi bayahluleka to handle me. Then bazongisa la yena acabanga ukuthi kushuthi ngaphakathi wherever la angisa khona bazongiphatha khona. Let me tell you this, just 8 months ago, I was arrested, Mr. Foshe and Mr. Kruger. I was arrested at Elwyn Court because besisema fletini ama-RDP house adliwa ibhunu by the name of Andre Groendler. This Andre Groendler wafa ngo-2021. Ngo-2019 inkantolo i-High Court yamthola guilty of zonke izona ey'balwayo, ukudla imali yogogo, ama-levies, enza okungekho emthethweni, engalungisa ama-flat awo, ebaxosha, awadayisa, awa-auctione, awabiza o-5,000, aphinde awabuyise back, awadayise, aqashisele abantu bangaphandle. Most of ama-arrests in KZN in Durban, working with the Department of Higher Education, abonakala ehlela ama-University UKZN, DUT, athathwe kanjalo, adliwe kanjalo, agcwele abantu bangaphandle. They are owned by abantu abangaphandle, and they are even proud ukuthi bayawa-own, baze bafake ngisho ama-flag up. Mawuya lapha ngawo-Eddington, mawuhamba ngawo-West Street, you'll find most of those ama-flats khona. And again, they wanted to do the same with ogogo. They target lawa ngathana abantu abaningi or anezindlu eziningi. Lela flat logogo na 140 units, and already sekusele plus or minus 36 ogogo bakhona. The rest abantu bangaphandle la eSouth Africa, and bonke abanamaphepha labo bantu, of which that profile is with the SAPS, district office, which is a CR Swart, Petama police station, 43 from Umkomazi up to Verulam, ama police station. They are in touch, very close to ama drug lords. Local land looting is General Mkwanazi, a raider, a point in Nazi Saboshwa, emva kwalokho he was threatened by the Zimbabweans and other people, which was the reason where we had to bag from a workshop up to a point to our office. La esaskade senda khona message ukuthi yabona nje ubumthreatenisha nje ninabantu bangaphandle, ningacabanga ukuthi iBanana Republic le nakithi, hayi kithi anginjalo. And they did it with iSiles Khoteme, where umdlokombane bethi isilo sithe abantu bakufika babulawe, of which lembi mhlawumbe omunye umuntu it's new to yena. To us it's not new, because I had to gijima nabantu sigijima Malawi la ngcine nibona khona indlula mithi kufanele iye khona nabantwana basendlunkulu umntwana Zebulon bagcina beyile the Tanzanians kwase kubonakala ubuholi bakulawo mazwi libuya leza ngapha, because they were very angry. Bona bebedinwa kunawo wonke omunye umuntu ukuthi safika saxoshwa isilo ilembe. Now umdlokombane nawo unyathele inyathelweni zesililembe, hence sihlele emazweni ko Zambia, Tanzania, Malawi, la kutholakala khona amangoni ngaphansi kobukhosi besilo uzwa ngendaba. KwaZulu ke wayekade eyinduna kaNdwandwe, ilembe mangabe lihlaba uNdwandwe lapha kaNongoma, babaleka laba baka Jeregumbi baze bayoshona, bafike bayibiza ngo Jeregumbi masebe ngaphandle. So uma ukhuluma ngendaba yokuboshwa, ngiboshwe point, ngiboshela justice. Justice for the elderly abaye bahlukunyezwa. It's RDP houses, bayahlushwa, bayakhokha, babolekelwe imali ngamagama abo o 1 point something million. Njengamanje ogogo bengenabo just a week ago or 2 weeks ago, ibona labo gogo for the first time since 2010 every day bahanjiswa inkantolo, bakhishiwe, omunye wakhishwa neingane, ingane biometric. For the first time labo bameli kade kutholakala ukuthi lo mlungu ababhala ngaye and besayina ngaye bethu yena olitigateayo oyisa amacala enkantolo kade ayifela kwaye lo mlungu 2 years ago. Ake babuyeke on the 29th ngolesibili lo lengilishoyo mina, ababuye on the 29th ne-evidence esho ukuthi lokho abakwenza bakuthathaphi, let alone ukuthi basayina ngama-signatures. Akungangcono bathi wayeshiye ethe asiqhubeke, siqhubekele umndeni wakhe senza ama-claims nani nani. Babese befaka-ke i-notice of i-removal enkantolo, because izinto eseyifuneka asikaze sibayekele. Saboshwa-ke siboshwa because besikulawo ma-flat trying to defend the senior citizens ahlukunyezwe ngale ndlela. It's not only them, bakhona Fleming Court and other flats, bakhona iziningi kakhulu indawo ngeke ngikwazi ngisho ukuyibala. So they've been doing this. What happened, umthetho wase South Africa what decide ukuthi kuboshwe thina esizama ukwenza ijustice khona. Even worse, ngangiphume ngeorder from inkantolo lesikuyona from imanji uSenders kwayena wathi ngitshela ukuthi ngithuma wena uma ukuthi labo gogo ngibanika iorder that favors them, fanele ngibe nalesiqiniseko sokuthi bazokwazi ukuthi bayigcinele bona bengenzobe kade kwenziwa ilo Andre aqoqa imali yogogo kuphela bese egcine ngabalungisela ama flats. So So umthetho wase South Africa uya ngokuthi kushuthi ubani. Angizungena kulokho. So ngifuna ukukuchazela ukuthi ukuboshwa angikuqali. And ngiboshwa, it doesn't matter ukuthi ngiboshwe isikhulu noma ngiboshwe ubani, as long as ngihlale ngibatshela ukuthi whether you decide ukungibopha 2 days noma you decide ukungibopha 3 months noma 10 years or 100 years, as long as ngaleli langa engophuma ngaloko kufanele ngiphume phambi kwenkantolo. Uma ngiphuma phambi kwemantshi noma ngiphuma phambi kwejaji, hayi, rest assured mhlobo wami ukuthi hayi ila ngizokwazi ukustate khona icase, and that's the platform that you are given whereby ukwazi ukuthi ukhulumise olwakho udaba. So uma ukuthi mina ezakhe indlebe awufuna ukungizwa voluntarily, you decide to take me to court, when ucabanga ukuthi uyangithreatenisha abasaba ukuboshwa, it's fine. Bengabatatazelisa lokho. And that's what they've been doing to abasebenzi. They will abuse them, they will do everything, assault them, threaten them, but still bengabaholeli imali ekufanele babaholele bona. On top of that, people we are talking about, government is playing a role khona. Our senior members of government is playing a role. Eskom is playing a role here to an extent that it's not like ukuthi they know ngelahle kuphela ebelingena lingekho emthethweni from imine ebheniwe, which is umzimkhulu mine. And this one bantu ngifuna azi ke manje ufosho ukuthi who else is going down with me, because ngeke uphula umthetho bese ungayi. Angithi mina ngiphulile umthetho wenkantolo ngangalihlonipha inkantolo. So laba bawuphulile umthetho and they are coming with me, and they must make sure ukuthi umthetho uyayidlala indawo yawo. Ngesikhathi ke niyongibopha kusamile, whether you threaten me noma uyabopha mina, okusala imali zabasebenzi asikhokhwe, okusala whoever that you owe abakhokhe, okusalayo enibahlukumezile umthetho kusafanele udlala indawo yawo. Ukuthi you are trying to terminate me, you are trying to deal with me noma wenze njani, that doesn't change the status quo, it still stands. Whether you threaten me or what, unfortunately, I won't withdraw. You've been trying, you tried to bribe me with 7 trucks, I refused. You tried to, when you summon numbers, to 15 trucks, I refused. Kwathiwa ngisho ukuthi ngifunani, I refused, and I still refuse. Ngisho nganginiki company yonke, I still refuse, because I stand for what's right. I stand for justice. Ngisho ngathi uyongibopha, I'm coming there. And ngizoyizela awudingi nokuthi uzongilwisa. Ngafika wathi angixolise, ngathi ngizoxolisa, anangangenisa. Ngangalwa, anangangenisa, ngathathwa imoto yenu. Should you want to tell me ukuthi unxumalo kuyena ongidrive wangibeka kuma premises ngizombopha ngoba umsebenzi we security company yenu? Shuthi ngizombopha unxumalo. Shuthi ngizombopha umasikane lo esimfice egcekeni okuyena ongithathela isitulo wangihlalisa phansi, because ngiboshwe ukuthi ngiyatrespassa mina legend. Shuthi nizoyibopha indoda le ungafuna ukusitshela isibongo sayo eyathengela umbulungu ijacket entsha. Shuthi nizombopha lo omunye waphuma ngaphakathi esephuma noMabaso ngoba icala likaMabaso lingathethwanga, ngoba phela you can't say it's trespassing. Shuthi nizombopha uHR wenu owa decide ukukhuluma nami ngikuma premises wenu. Bonke labo bantu nizobabopha. Now, what I want to know with uLegend, uLegend ufike wahamba wayothatha ilahle lemayini kade yabhenwa uEskom, because ilahle labo lingcolile, ilahle labo libulala amabhande imshini kaEskom nayo yonke into sithole sesinalelo shading esinayo. Then the next thing kuzohambe umphakathi into izigcwala imgwaqo because of load shedding okuthiwa ama transformer file, the very same transformers that the Eskom never budgeted for. Iwathatha ngaphi ihambe yise ngaphi ithathe ngapha, uma kudlula isiteleka abantu sebeyekile umsindo bayithathe bayibuyisele emaplantini wabo ihlalile indaba. Tell me, Eskom, because uLegend is way too big for us. uLegend account indawo kithi ufaka abantu emaphaketheni, but unfortunately for our government officials, you are in trouble, my dears. My loved ones, we are in trouble. uLegend mina don't care ngoLegend. Mfana ka 92 angina ndaba kwanaye lo foshe wakhona, but there are people who have a responsibility here. Awukho umthetho behind uLegend because yena is a private company, ukuthi wakheke uphuma kwenzakalani, that doesn't matter to yena. But unfortunately for our government officials, unfortunately for abo sisi laba omaseko, you are in serious trouble. You are aware with your Mr. Baloyi, with your station manager there. Ukuthi ufoshe ilahle uwathatha ama truck 3 months wonke ebeki period ka 6 months ethutha ama truck from Mzimkhulu mine walithatha lelo lahle wazolihlalisa eDuva for a long time. For a long time, and you've been playing naye lo mdlalo wenu phakathi. And uMalisuka power station manager yase Duva. uMalisuka ngaphansi kwenkosi kaMahlangu egedeni lasenkosini kaMahlangu ngaphesha komgwaqo. Uma liphuma seliphuma ngeziliphu libheke eMajuba ngoba eMajuba iyal reject the power station li wrong liyathuthwa esikhundleni sokuthi lihambe liyochithwa khona lichithwe power station yakuphi yase Duva. From Eduva, i-budget public press lesikhuluma ngayo. From Eduva lihambeliswe kuphi emajuba. Ngifuna sibheke that circle yabantu abadlala role here. And those people are coming with me. Abantu basiyoboshwa angiyikoboshwa ngedwa bengizolanda nina. So liyasuka leli lahle ngaphansi kwenkosi uMkhephula uMahlangu lo okuyena owakhela igate lala onmeme emcimbini wakhe eningezi ngomgqibelo njoba ingene esibayeni inkosi. Ngisanikhumbuza uEscom usudelivile umasipala kumanje uGreatile lapha yana. Ngiwatholile nama video ba happy kakhulu uGreatile umasipala kade ungezwani nenkosi all this time Escom ngiyabona wena ukafundi kade ungezwani nenkosi all this time umasipala walapha yana eWitbank walapha eMalahleni wenza umathanda wawo uyikamela nomhlaba wenkosi ngisazonithubelela nama maps enkosi niwabona la cause anzazi ukuthi ngikuphi kuloya mhlaba anzazi ukuthi nikhonzaphi nimenyiwe but nisalwa nami ake sithule sibukele. Okay, liyasuka leli lahle liphuma ngama receipt ngama slips akuphi Duva power station ulesingakunamhlanje lesithathu. Escom yemnani kusasa Escom yemnani kusasa futhi actually mangiqeda la ngizobe sengifaka icall. I need the report here yonke lento esikhuluma ngayo. And the auditor general yazi kunendima ekuzofanele idlalile ngoba ngiyambona ucothoza kancane i-committee ka Escom la ngiphazanyiswa ama message o driver baba truck la izinto abayikhuluma yona wana no. Okay, liyasuka ke leli lahle leya lapha ya seliphuma ngama receipts ase Duva from iDuva inayo imayini. That's a plant i-station leso yini i-power station yaka Escom. Shuthi power station ifika idayiselwe ilahle yini yona. Mayisiqeda ukudayiselwa ilahle bese yodayisela enye power station ka Escom. Ayiningilekelele lapha kuleyo ndawo bantu baka Escom. Ayiningilekelele lapha government ophethe ama minerals government wethu ikomiti lethe liphethe electricity and energy. Ayiningilekelele kuleyo ndawo. And again there are things engishiye ngibanike umsebenzi ukuthi bawenze ka Escom. I haven't heard from them but yet they have my numbers. I said I'm not going to call them because mina ngikwenzele bekufanele ngikwenze mangifika khona. And again asamile ama project inkosi sawamisile ama project a Escom ukuthi akuzohamba ngendlela enicabanga ngayo la. And I want to deposit this to you guys. In a process there are people nini bantshontshelisa inkwasabo njengoba sikhuluma. Kunabantu enibabulala kunabantu abahlele kuma wheelchairs ngesandla sika Forche. Kunabantu abasemgodini ngesandla sika Forche. Kunabantu angakazazi azachajelwe khona. Bese kuzoba ilaba abadlala role. uCCMA wase Witbank eMalahleni Middleburg or Heidelberg ziningi lezi zinto zabo. Kube ubargaining council wakhona. Ngiyabingelela nje kini nonke bahlobo bami ngoba hayi bafethu ngabe nihlelela nje nibe nipakisha imithwalo yenu nibe nibhala ama will manithanda ukubhala ama will ngoba you are still going to be there for a very long time. And nibe ngizohlala nani bangani ngizonigada nibe nilunga lapho enkantolo High Court. I mean asiqale ngepolice station lapho Colonel Maseko nethimba lakho nabe bekade kuyibona aba investigator ama cases ka lo Forche na wonke omunye umuntu. Mhlambe nina nizobasaba ngoba mhlamba ninayi entitlement mhlambe nicuphile kuhle makukhona bafakwa kuma payroll nabanjani. Hayi thina bafowethu hayi thina sincethezwe uyabona nje akunawo ngisho imali ungibona nje akunawo ngisho imali kodwa khohlwa angidingi nje ke le eyegazi labantu, angidingi le eyathi izodla igazi. Uyabona nje ngikweletela ngisho umngani wami ke mina ke ngikweletela ngisho umngani wami. Hayi umngani wami anginayo imali yokuthi ngikwenzele ukuthi njengamanje anginayo imali yokuthi ngibuyisele imali yokuthini, but ngeke ngize ngithengise igazi lomuntu engisho ngabe kuthiwa bebe negotiate amali. It's not like they didn't negotiate, and they've been trying and I won't sell the people.